Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make distort lines in Photoshop step by step. Apply step 1. Create a new layer, right click, shape tool, you can use rectangle tool or line tool. Example, use rectangle tool, press enter, then draw a line, then go to edit tab, transform path, warp, use manually warp or press Ctrl T, right click on your mouse, warp, customs, arcs, upper, lower, etc. And apply step 2, use pen tool, mode, shape without fill, stroke, color, line, click anywhere. OK, hold Alt key, remove outline, hold Ctrl, then move anywhere, again hold Ctrl or again OK, and apply step 3. Hold shift, click anywhere, then right click, convert to smart object, filter, distort, warp. See this? Single, triangle, square. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.